Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are delving into one of the core components of risk management, the assessment and evaluation process as outlined in ISO 31000. By mastering this process, organizations can effectively identify, analyze and prioritize risks, ultimately enhancing their resilience and decision-making capabilities. ISO 31000 defines risk assessment as a comprehensive process that encompasses risk identification, risk analysis, and risk evaluation. It provides organizations with a structured framework to understand the nature and extent of risks they face. Importance of risk evaluation. Risk evaluation is a critical step in the risk management process. It allows organizations to assess risk against predefined criteria, enabling informed decision-making and resource allocation. By evaluating risks, organizations can prioritize their response strategies and focus their efforts on mitigating the most significant threats. The risk assessment process. Let's break down the risk assessment process into three key steps. Risk identification. This involves identifying potential risks that could impact the achievement of organizational objectives. It's essential to cast a wide net during this phase to ensure comprehensive coverage of all possible risks. Risk analysis. Once risks are identified, they need to be analyzed to understand their potential impact and likelihood of occurrence. This analysis helps organizations gauge the severity of each risk and prioritize them accordingly. Risk evaluation. In this phase, risks are assessed against predefined criteria to determine their significance and priority for treatment. This involves considering factors such as the potential consequences of a risk, the likelihood of occurrence, and the organization's risk tolerance. Risk evaluation criteria. ISO 31000 emphasizes the importance of establishing clear criteria for risk evaluation. Some common criteria include impact, the potential consequences of a risk on the organization's objectives, including financial, operational, reputational, and regulatory impacts. Likelihood, the probability or frequency of occurrence of a risk event. Risk tolerance, the level of risk that an organization is willing to accept or tolerate. Cost-benefit analysis, evaluating the cost of risk treatment measures against the potential benefits in terms of risk reduction. In conclusion, the risk assessment and evaluation process in ISO 31000 provides organizations with a systematic approach to managing risks effectively. By following this process and applying predefined evaluation criteria, organizations can make informed decisions, prioritize their risk management efforts, and ultimately enhance their resilience in the face of uncertainty. Thank you for your attention. I hope this lecture has provided valuable insights into the risk assessment and evaluation process in ISO 31000. If you have any questions or would like to discuss further, please feel free to engage in the question and answer session. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.